Digital transformation is well underway in Poland. The vast majority of banks have already completed the stage of developing mobile apps, digitizing account management, and flattening their own organizational structures. Some are even using biometric tools. But unlike the UK, open banking hasn't quite hit Poland yet. A banking system's openness is measured by the value of the bank's assets that have been opened by APIs in relation to the value of the entire sector's assets. In Poland, research has shown that third parties have hypothetical access to less than 5% of the sector's assets through the open API. In comparison, countries like Lithuania, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Estonia, and the UK offer access which exceeds 50%. According to reports by Deloitte, the Polish banking sector is actually among the most closed systems in Europe. The nation is a really interesting case study which underlines a non-correlation between heavy digitization and the ability for banks to go beyond banking. But that's all about to change thanks to Alior Bank. The financial group may be the 10th largest one, but it happens to be the most active when it comes to embracing new technologies. And in preparation for open banking's official rollout date in September 2019, they've decided to create a series of open house meetups dedicated to speeding up adoption.
I am here with Kamila Wincenciak, the head of Fintech partnerships at Alior Bank.
Hi, hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And could you tell us a little bit about what you do at Alior Bank?
Okay, so I'm responsible for the partnerships with fintechs, meaning that I'm responsible for bringing interesting ideas, interesting products which are developed by external companies, fintechs, and introducing them to Alior Bank, to our business units, and helping our business units to implement the products in Alior Bank systems. So we're kind of experimenting in this area, and this is actually the first meetup that we organized to be open for everyone who applied to participate. So we really want to create a community around Rebel Start because we believe that Rebel Start it's not only for Alior Bank, it's not only for startups, it's about the whole startup community.
The event consisted of a series of presentations by some of the world's leading experts: Mastercard, Microsoft, IBM. Over the course of 2 hours, they covered the basics, technological groundwork, as well as answered some of the more challenging questions like, how will Poland's financial ecosystem survive the change? Where will regulation come in? How will the balance of convenience and privacy be maintained? What types of open banking applications will be adopted first? In March this year, Alior Bank unveiled a digital disruptor strategy, highlighting their strong desire to be first movers on the trend. Rather than debating the benefits of open banking, as some banks have, they decided to face the technological revolution. Despite apparent risks, they believe in embracing the likelihood of increased competition for the benefit of emerging customer expectations. In January 2019, Alior Bank signed a contract with IBM to build them their own API platform designed to offer seamless interaction between themselves and third-party developers, essentially forging the groundwork for new applications. Aside from increasing knowledge and bringing together the workforce which will likely be behind the curtain of open banking, these meetups really benefit the organizing bank, setting it up for potentially becoming Poland's beyond banking leader.